I hope you get the belt. This took too much grinding. Just to finish this stupid last quest. This damn last quest, buddy. I'll get 10 billion honey. Oh yeah, Bill. Okay, blah blah blah. You don't need to talk for that long. Oh, yes, I got it. Now go in the petal shop. Now buy this petal belt. 3, 2, 1. Buddy. I bought it. I bought the petal belt. Oh my, that's so much. That took too much grinding. Yeah, with my ingredients. Whip. I'm finally done this build quest. A lot of grinding. I have 22 million capacity. Cool. This looks okay. Let me see what it looks like if it goes in a field. Probably looks weird. Probably covers up. Boys. Yeah, it's weird. What is that? It doesn't really look that good, but it doesn't really look that bad if you're wearing it. Not that bad. I'm gonna end the video, buddy. Oh, that's so much grinding.